In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Meet for later. Whether you're arranging a virtual meeting for work, catching up with friends, or planning an online class, setting up your Google Meet in advance can significantly streamline your organization process. This guide is easy to follow and perfect for making sure your next virtual gathering is set up for success. Let's begin with the very first step you need to take. Navigate to Google Meet by going to meet.google.com. Here you'll find the option to start a meeting right away, but since we're planning for the future, you're going to look for the New Meeting button. Click on that to get started. This button is your first step towards creating a well-organized virtual meeting. After clicking New Meeting, you'll see a few options pop up, but what we're interested in is Create a Meeting for Later. This option is perfect for when you need to plan ahead, allowing you to generate a meeting link without starting the meeting immediately. Once you click on Create a Meeting for Later, Google Meet will automatically generate a unique link for your future meeting. This link is what you'll share with your participants, so make sure to keep it handy. You can copy this link by right-clicking and selecting Copy, or pressing Ctrl+C on your keyboard, CMD+C on a Mac. It's a good idea to paste this link somewhere safe, like in an email draft or a digital calendar event, so you don't lose it. And there you have it. With just a couple of clicks, you've successfully created a Google Meet for later. The only thing left to do is distribute the link to your meeting's members. You can send this link via email, text message, or whatever form of communication works best for you and your group. Just ensure every intended participant has access to this link before the meeting time arrives. Remember, organizing a virtual meeting in advance can not only save you time, but also prevent any last-minute chaos. By following these simple steps, you're well on your way to hosting a smooth and successful Google Meet. So to recap: 1. Go to Google Meet and click on New Meeting. 2. Select Create a Meeting for Later to generate your unique meeting link. 3. Copy this link and share it with all your participants well before the meeting time. And that's it. You're all set to conduct your Google Meet whenever it's scheduled. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to like, share and subscribe for more easy to follow tech tutorials.